Hello, my lovely ladies and handsome gents. How are you today? How are you? Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! How are you now? How are you doing today? How are you doing? How? Now? Tell me how are you doing today? How are you doing? Today I have a men's fragrance, which I don't do that often anymore. I should. I've got a lot of men's fragrances I should be reviewing. But this is a really good one. Of course, they're all good. But this one, London, 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 from English Laundry. Christopher Wickes, English Laundry. You might have seen this around. It's a really nice, it's nice. Yeah, it's a really nice one. So this one, English Laundry London. English Laundry, by the way, by Christopher Wickes, is the founder of the company. There are 22 English Laundry fragrances in the Fragrantica database, and this one came out in 2018. Now, according to Christopher Wickes, this was inspired by strolling down the streets of London, inspired by the beauty and majesty of the city. The top notes are pineapple, blackberry, apple. I don't really smell any of that. Maybe pineapple. The mid notes are juniper, patchouli, bergamot, and ambergris. So I would say probably smelling the juniper up front. And the base, oak moss, musk, jasmine, and vanilla. So this is just a really, okay, there's not a lot of sillage, there's not a lot of projection, and it's okay, lasting power is okay. I'd say, actually it's not bad. It's just that you might need to respray it if you're looking for it to project beyond, beyond your local area. If you're looking to grab someone and pull them into your world, this is maybe more subdued. But if you're looking for something for the person who's already in your world, this is great, because and it smells so good on my husband. It's just this really nice, gentlemanly, sensuous, sexy fragrance that is not screaming. This is not the guy that has to scream to get your attention. This is not the guy that needs to worry about how he's going to make your panties drop. He already knows how, and this is what he will be wearing. So this one, to me, it smells a lot like Original Polo, the green one. That was the first Ralph Lauren fragrance that came out after Lauren for Women. And this really reminds me of that. It is not the same. I actually like this better. But the Original Polo, and I used to sell it behind the counter in the late 80s, and even through the 90s too, because I sold it also again in men's fragrances. But the Original Polo is a little more like a little more piney and like that kind of aromatics. This is a little less so, a little more sensuous, a little less adventurer spirit, a little more just the sensuous, relaxed, laid back. So to me, it smells a lot like Original Polo for men. I find it to be very sexy, low projection, low sillage, but it is the fragrance you want the guy close to you to wear. Understatedly sexy, but refined and with class. Yes. Any age can wear it. I think it's a general crowd pleaser, and there's no unpleasant surprises. It's pretty much what you spray is what you get from the time you try it on to like hours later, it's just going to be a little bit, you know, not as strong. You might want to reapply it a few times if you're looking for something that is stronger. But what I really like about this fragrance is it seems like you can spray it a number of times and it's not really going to be too much. It's just going to be really nice. And the lasting power on this, like I said, it's okay. Maybe you need to reapply it after about 4 hours. So yeah, any age can wear this, you know, because it's a newer fragrance. I think maybe a lot of younger people, a lot of younger guys, or maybe women too, might be wearing this. But I think if you're an older person, an older gentleman, I think you should reach for this. It is a really nice fragrance for any age, whether you're just starting to wear fragrance, you're a young person, or you're an older person. I definitely would recommend. I'd recommend this for anyone of any age. It's one of those, I'd recommend it as a blind buy. You know, it's just really nice. And these, by the way, I got a set of with 4, and there's 3 other ones in the set, but it was a really good deal. I got it at, I think, TJ Maxx in the States. If you go to buy it, if you go to look for it to buy it, it's like $100 a bottle. Of course, the bottle is much larger, but you know, I feel like it's an opportunity to try this stuff, you know, and even if you can get 4 in a set, that's a fragrance wardrobe, you know. I mean, they're usually different enough that you can find something for, you know, your different needs for wearing fragrances. One for work, one for date night, one for going out on the town, you know, whatever, stuff like that. So, but what's it smell like? I know you want to know. Okay, what's it smell like? 106 people felt it smelled like Creed Aventus. 106 people thought this smells like Creed Aventus. 77 people felt it smelled like Club de Nuit Intense Man from Armaf. Club de Nuit Intense Man from Armaf. 67 people felt it was like Mont Blanc Explorer. 67 people felt it was like Mont Blanc Explorer. 42 people felt it smelled like Insurrection 2 from Pure Reyanne Tradition. Insurrection 2, Pure Reyanne Tradition, and that's from 2013, so it's not recent. And then 18 people felt it was like Black Walnut Legend. Black Walnut Legend from Banana Republic. Have you ever tried that Black Walnut Legend? That's interesting. From Banana Republic. All right. So yeah, I think at first you're getting more of the green, but then it does become a little more base notey, but for the most part it stays the same on the skin. So London from English Laundry. So that's about it. I know it's a quick one, but thank you very much for watching. I'm Bold Reviews Lady. Please give it a like if you liked it. Leave a comment if you know of any fragrances that you want to share with other people that you really like. Go ahead and leave it down below. Why not? So anyhow, I'm Bold Reviews Lady. Bye.